Oh hey, welcome back to the channel. So first, do me a favor and subscribe, thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers and I will do a head reveal. This video is actually filmed before my 2-year special, the collection video. As you can see, the sneakers are kind of mixed up in a random fashion, but I really wanted to do this quick Salomon hats haul. I wanted more Salomon products. The average price was about 20 to 22 euros per hat. And the first hat I have here is a trucker hat. I forgot some of their hats have different sizes, and this is a large. It's kind of big. I really like this mesh they use here, which is different compared to other trucker hats. But let's see how this fits on the head. All right, I'm moving right along. Check this out. Not bad. The second hat, I really think this is a women's. I'm actually over the flat brim hats. I really don't like them anymore, and I really hate fitted hats. Let's see how this fits on the head. And the final hat. Same nice mesh. This one is that flat brim, which I don't like, so I am most definitely going to curve this. Still a nice embroidery logo. I will remove all these labels because they are so fucking annoying. All these are very nicely made. I don't see no loose threads. Let's see how this fits. Hey, this is quite nice, very lightweight. So there you go, that's kind of the end of the video. A quick Salomon hats haul. Which one of these is your favorite? Do me a favor and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.